This lecture is about determining soil texture. Soil texture is basically relative proportion of sand, salt and clay. Although sieves can be used to determine particles into different size fractions, other methods are more commonly used. One method is based on the concept that the bigger they are, the faster they fall, which is a simple way of stating Stokes' law. Stokes' law states that the velocity or the speed of a falling particle in a fluid is directly proportional to the square of the particle diameter. We will be using hydrometer to determine the soil texture. We need to calibrate the hydrometer reading based on manufacturer protocol. We can calculate silt and clay percentage based on 40-second reading. We can average 2 to 3 reading for that. For clay, we will need to use 2-hour reading. We need to use oven dry soil weight to calculate texture. If we know soil moisture percentage and air dried soil weight, we can simply do reverse calculation and calculate oven dry weight. In this case, the silt percentage is 30, sand percentage is 25 and clay percentage is 45%. We need to find the texture of the soil. So here the silt percentage is 30, so we need to draw a line from somewhere here, and sand percentage is 25, so we need to draw a line from here, and whenever those two lines meet, that is going to be our soil texture. So 30% silt and 25% sand, and the texture is going to be clay, and just to confirm 45% clay, so that's clay. Here 40% silt, 40% sand and 20% clay. So 40% silt, we need to draw one line, 40% sand, 40% sand, so it's going to be loam soil. And just to confirm 20% clay, 20% clay, this is going to be loam texture soil. First, we need to grind our soil sample using mortar and pestle. Soil samples were passed through sieve having sieve diameter 2 mm. 50 gram air dried soil will be used. 4 gram sodium metaphosphate will be mixed with the soil in a dispersing bottle along with DI water. Now we are putting this dispersing bottle in a reciprocal shaker for 4 hours. After 4 hours, we are taking it out. And the next step would be we'll have to transfer this sediment to this cylinder. And the leftover we'll need to clean it with DI water. Now you can gently mix it for a few times. And if there is air bubble, you can use isopropyl alcohol to get rid of it. 1 or 2 drops would be good. After 40 seconds, we need to record hydrometer reading and temperature reading. Mix it again and take another 40-second reading. After 40 seconds. Allow the cylinder to be undisturbed for 2 hours following the last 40-second reading. There needs to be a blank hydrometer reading as well. The blank hydrometer reading will not have soil sample on it. For the moisture determination, take weight of can and lid and soil separately. Put it in an oven for 100 degrees Celsius for 1 day. After 24 hours, take the sample out and take the weight of the soil sample and calculate the moisture percentage.